asana which is gonna help you in balancing your Pitta Dosha or the imbalance of the Pitta Dosha. You can repeat this asana for the 3 set, 3 second or 5 second. This asana practice is going to help you in all those problems.
TeluguOne Health ఛానల్లో ఎప్పుడు నిష్ణాతులైనటువంటి డాక్టర్స్ చేత లేకపోతే ఆ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన వాళ్ళ చేత మీకు అన్నీ క్లియర్గా చూపించడం జరుగుతుంది ప్రతిసారి. ఈసారి పిత్త బాడీ టైప్ ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళ లక్షణాలు ఏ విధంగా ఉంటాయో ముందుగా మీకు చెప్తాను. కోపం ఉంటుందంట, మొండితనం ఉంటుంది, సడన్గా బాడీ హీట్ పెరిగిపోవటం వల్ల ఇలాంటివన్నీ జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. సో దీన్ని కూడా బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయటం అవసరమే కదా, ఎక్కువగా పిల్లల్లో ఉంటుంది. కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసి వీడియోని మిస్ కాకుండా చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు మనకి సిన్ను గారు దానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఆసనాలు చూపించబోతున్నారు. స్టే ట్యూన్ టు TeluguOne Health ఛానల్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి.
Namaste and welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you few asana which is gonna help you in balancing your Pitta Dosha or the imbalance of the Pitta Dosha. So let's get started. So the number one posture is the Ustrasana or the Camel Pose. Just to do this posture, first sit down in the Vajrasana, the way I am sitting with your knee folded and your hip should be over your heel. Then slowly rise up onto your knees. Make sure your knees should be the hip distance apart. Fine. And your feet should be completely flattened on the mat. It should not be curled in. Now, roll the shoulders back, open the chest. Now, slowly place both the hands here. Push the hip forward. This is very, very important to push this area forward. Once this is completely forward, then slowly take your right hand up and then drop it down over your heel. Now, make sure you are pushing your chest up and it should be opened up. Now, take your left hand up and repeat it on the other side as well. Drop your head down. You will feel the stretch in your throat region. And then breathe normally for 3 seconds like this. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly one by one, come back and relax. You can repeat this asana for the 3 set, 3 second or 5 second. Now moving to the other asana, the Marjorie asana or the cat and cow. And to perform the cat and cow, first place both the hands under the shoulders like this, exactly under the shoulder. It should not be outside or inside. Fine. Now your knee should be the hip distance apart and your feet should be completely flattened on the mat. Now back should be neutral. The moment you are inhaling, drop your belly down and move your head up. And exhale, round your back and bring your head in between the arms. Again, inhale. Exhale. So all these asana practice will help you in releasing your emotion which has been buried. And not only this, it will also help you in releasing the frustration or the anger issues. Now relax after the 10 count. Now we'll be moving the third and the last asana for the Pitta is the Bhujanga asana or the Cobra pose. How to do it? Just to perform this, we will come into the prone position. So lie down on your mat and flatten your feet, join your foot together. Both the hands should be well placed under the shoulders and your elbow should be pointing the back side. It should not be outside. Roll your shoulders back, elbow should be back side, chin should be well grounded on the mat. Now slowly inhale and then roll the shoulders back, move your head and chin up. Now you should not do this one, this is completely wrong. So fold your elbows, make sure your navel should be touching the floor or the ground. Now move your head up, breathe normally for 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. And exhale. Come back. You can repeat this asana for 3 times. And after performing this asana, always remember to do the counter pose. As a counter pose here, I'm going to do the child pose or the balasana. Join your foot together, open up your knees widely and exhale, push the hip back, back, ground your chest, extend your arms and let your body get relaxed here for 3 to 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Slowly come back and relax. You can practice all these asana for 3 round, or maybe you can start with the 3 second and slowly and gradually you can increase the timing by 5 second or 10 seconds. So this was it.
ఆసనాలు కొంచెం కష్టంగా ఉన్నాయి కదా, కానీ తప్పు మనకి ఏదైనా హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇంకా ఎక్స్టెండ్ అయిపోయే కంటే ముందే చక్కగా మీ వల్ల అయినంత వరకు 3 సెకండ్స్ అంటున్నారు, 5 సెకండ్స్ అంటున్నారు, మీరు ఎంతవరకు చేయగలిగితే అంత ఇనీషియల్గా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే గ్రాడ్యువల్గా కొంచెం పెంచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళొచ్చు. సో ఈ వీడియోలో మీరు కఫా బాడీ టైప్ ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళు చేయాల్సిన ఆసనాలు తెలుసుకోబోతున్నారు. ఈ బాడీ టైప్ వాళ్ళకు ఉండే లక్షణాలు ముందుగా తెలుసుకుందాం. తొందరగా ఎంత కొంచెం తిన్నా కూడా లావ్ అయిపోతారు, డిప్రెషన్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతారు, చాలా డ్రౌజీగా బద్ధకంగా ఉంటారనమాట. ఈ వీడియోకి ఈ ఆడియన్స్ చాలామంది కనెక్ట్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. సో ఆసనాలు చూద్దాం వెంటనే.
Namaste everyone. So in this video I'm going to talk about the kapha body type, and as well as I'll be suggesting you few yoga asanas to balance your kapha problem or the kapha imbalance. So before getting into the asana, I would like to know you. This asana practice is going to help you in all those problems which we have already discussed in the video. So let's get started, and please make sure whenever you are practicing, be consistent, because kapha people, if you do this consistent practice, then only you will get the results. So let's begin with the sun salutation or the Surya Namaskara. So always remember, when we are doing the Surya Namaskara, you should come on the front side of the mat. Then join your foot together, roll the shoulders back, keep your spine straight and tall, join your palm together. Now slowly inhale, take both the hands up, push your hip forward and look back or upside. Slowly exhale, bend your body from your lower back and keep both the hands on the ground by the side of your feet. Put your head down. Now slowly inhale, take your right leg forward and place it on the ground, open up the hip widely and move your head up. And exhale, take both the leg back, hip up, head down. Now again inhale, knees on the floor, and exhale, chest to the floor and chin should be touching the mat into the Ashtanga Namaskara. Now release your toes, slowly slide your body forward, roll the shoulders back and come up into the Bhujangasana. And exhale, curl your toe inside, come into the Parvatasana. Now again inhale, take your right leg forward, lift back, move your head up and hold. Then again exhale, take both the leg back, put your head down. And then slowly inhale, take both the hands up, bend your body back, push your hip forward and exhale, pranam. So that's how you can do the practice of 5 round or 6 round of sun salutation every day. That's how you can start, and you can do up to 11 round, 21 round. It's completely up to you how much you want to do it. Now in the next sequence, I will be letting you know the one Vinyasa sequence that will be helping you out in releasing the stored energy which makes you feel more sluggish, more lazy and lethargy. So let's begin with that. First, open the leg widely, turn your right foot towards the right and left will be pointing the center. Bring your chest to the front side. Now let's begin. Stretch both the hands in your sideways. Exhale, take your right hand down, left hand up. Slowly exhale, both hands down, head down over your knee. And again inhale, take your right hand up, hold. Then again exhale, take both the hands down, head down over your knee. Now this time, fold your knee, right knee, and then join your palm together, take it over your head, look up to the ceiling. And exhale, come into the Veerbhadra Asana 2. And then again, take your left hand back, right hand up, look up to the ceiling. And then again, knees straight. Put both the hands down, head down. And slowly come up. And gonna repeat the same sequence on the other side. Turn your left foot towards the left, right will be pointing the center. Now inhale, stretch your hands in your sideways, and exhale, drop your left hand down, right hand up. And exhale, both hands down, head down over your knee. Now inhale, take your left hand up and twist your body to the back side. And exhale, both hands down, head down over your knee. Now inhale, fold your left knee and slowly join your palm together over the head, look up to the ceiling. And exhale, come into the Virabhadra Asana 2. And then drop your hand down, look up. And again, exhale, both hands down. And slowly come up and relax. Thank you so much. I hope if you do this asana practice every day, you're gonna get the result.
ఈ రోజు వరకుకి మనం ముందు వాత పిత్త కఫ ఈ మూడిటికి సంబంధించిన బాడీ టైప్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు చేయాల్సిన ఆసనాలు తెలుసుకుందాము. సో అమరము స్టూడియోస్లో ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్గా తెలుగు వన్లో మీకు ఈ ఆసనాలు ప్రజెంట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్లో ఇంకా కూడా మీరు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అమరము స్టూడియోస్లో ఉన్నటువంటి బెస్ట్ ట్రైనర్స్ చేత చెప్పించబడేటువంటి హెల్త్ టిప్స్ కానీ బెనిఫిట్స్ కానీ ఆసనాలు కానీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కానీ మీరు తెలుసుకోబోతున్నారు. సో స్టే ట్యూన్ టు తెలుగు వన్ హెల్త్ ఛానల్. Like, share, subscribe.